Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about Cortex, a revolutionary hearing and brain health solution designed to improve our lives in so many ways. Cortexi is an advanced wearable device designed to analyze and interpret the complex signals generated by the human brain. This innovative technology uses advanced microprocessor technology and machine learning algorithms to provide users with real-time insight into their brain and hearing health. One of the most significant benefits of Cortex is its ability to help users detect and prevent hearing loss before it becomes a serious problem. By continuously monitoring the user's hearing health, Cortexi can provide early warning signs of potential inner ear damage and help users take appropriate measures to maintain hearing health. In addition to hearing health features, Cortexi also offers a number of benefits for brain health. By analyzing user behavior and cognitive function, Cortexi can provide valuable information about how well the brain is working and help users identify areas where it may be struggling. One of the most attractive aspects of Cortexi is its ease of use. The device is small, light, and comfortable to wear, making it ideal for everyday use. Users simply wear the device around their neck, and it begins collecting real-time data about their hearing and brain health. Cortexi is also equipped with advanced artificial intelligence capabilities that allow it to continuously learn and improve its analysis of user data. This means the device is constantly improving at understanding each user's unique needs and providing personalized insights and recommendations. In conclusion, Cortexi is a revolutionary technology that offers a number of benefits for those who want to improve their hearing and brain health. Its advanced microprocessor technology, machine learning algorithms, and real-time insights make it an invaluable tool for anyone who wants to keep their brain and hearing in optimal condition.